Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Sublime Text in your Windows 10 operating system. And then I will also show you how to write a simple C and C++ program in Sublime Text and how to run them. So let's begin. Now to install Sublime Text in your Windows 10 operating system, first you need to download Sublime Text. So for that just simply click on a browser and in here just simply type Sublime Text and then just enter. And now as you can see, our first link is from this www.sublimetext.com. so you need to first click on this Sublime Text, and in here you will get this link, download for Windows. So just click on that, and now as you can see, the Sublime Text is now currently downloading. It's a 10 MB file. It is very lightweight, so it is very convenient to use as a code editor if you are using any lightweight computer. And now that this download has been rightly completed, so just simply click on the show in folder. And now as you can see, the Sublime Text has been rightly downloaded inside my this download directory. So just double click on it to install, and now just minimize this download directory. And now in here as you can see, the Sublime Text setup wizard has been rightly open, and they are asking whether I want to add to Explorer context menu. So for which I will I will check this, and I will just simply click on next. Yeah, and now just simply click on install. And now as you can see that the Sublime Text 3 is now currently installing, and it's very super fast install, and as they have rightly finished this installation, now just simply click on finish. Yeah. And now that you have rightly installed Sublime Text in your Windows 10 operating system, now it's time to install a compiler to run your C and C++ program. So for that what I'll be doing is we'll be downloading this Mingw compiler and we'll install it. So for that just go to your favorite browser, and in here we will download this Mingw compiler. And now the first link you will get this sourceforce.net. So just simply click on this Mingw minimalistic GNU for Windows download. So just click on that. So basically we are going to download this Mingw from this SourceForce website. So now in here just click on this download. It will show you your download will start shortly. So just wait 4 to 5 seconds. And now as you can see, this Mingw setup wizard has been rightly downloaded. So just open the folder, and now as you can see in this download directory, this Mingw setup wizard has been rightly there. So just double click on it to install, and now just minimize this download directory. And now in here as you can see, this Mingw installation manager's setup tool has been rightly launched. Now just simply click on install, and this is basically the directory where this Mingw going to be installed. So if you want to change your installation directory, then you can just simply click on change, and you can change your installation directory, but I will keep this all default, and then simply click on continue. And now as you can see, it's showing that connecting to prdownloads.sourceforce.net. So basically you need to have an active internet connection right throughout the installation. As you can see, this downloading is currently in progress. So I will just simply fast forward it and come back when it gets done. And now we'll simply click on continue. And now in here in this Mingw installation manager, they basically gave you these options to install. So for which I will be clicking mark for installation, then mark for installation, just right click on it and then just /bin folder has been rightly printed. Just simply click on OK, then again OK, then again OK. And now if you just close this and again open your command prompt, and now you are basically in your home directory, right? And now if you just simply type g ++ dash dash version and now just enter, and now as you can see that this mingw.org 6.3.0 has been rightly shown in our home directory as well. So now you just know that this environment path has been rightly set. And now that you know that the Sublime Text has been rightly installed on your Windows 10 operating system, so just simply click on this search icon and in here just simply type inside your this document /C programs directory. So here we are going to run. In some other videos you will see that they basically creating a console inside the Sublime Text. So you can also do that, but I will be not recommending you to do that, because what's necessary when you can simply use your command line to compile your C program. There is no necessary, and it is also very lightweight. You can make this ID very convenient. Just simply click on the Sublime Text and then just hold it down to your left side, extreme left side, and then just simply leave it. And now just simply click on this command prompt so that you can see this both your code editor and your terminal at side by side. And now you can simply compile it by simply typing GCC space your program name, that is this prog1.c. Now just enter, and now as you can see that your program has been rightly compiled. And now to run, just simply type A and then enter. And now as you can see that your hello world has been rightly shown over here. You can simply edit a bit, like hello world to you can change it to hello everyone. Now just simply Ctrl S, and in here just just simply again compile it. So GCC prog1.c, and now just you can again run it, and now as you can see this hello world has been rightly shown. So this is very convenient, right? You can just simply run your program at the right side and write your code at the left side. This is very convenient, right? I found this is very useful, so I generally use in this way. And now I'll show you how to simple compile and run a simple C++ program. So for which, just go to your file and then open folder, and in here you need to go a directory back and then just simply create a new folder, and here just type cpp underscore programs to create a new folder for your C++ program. And now just go inside that directory, and now just simply click on this select folder, and this will open you a new window for this C++ program. So now just just simply Control N to create a new file, and then Control S to save, and you need to go a directory back. Now just go inside the C++ program, and now just simply save your file as prog1.cpp. This is very important for C++ program. You need to save the file as cpp extension. Now just simply click on save. Yeah. And now in here you will write a simple hello world C++ program. So hash include bits now just enter. And now as you can see that your program has been rightly compiled with no error. And now just simply type A and then enter. And now as you can see that your hello world has been rightly shown. You can also verify that by just simply changing it to hello everyone. Now just save it, and you can again compile it and again run. And now this hello world has been rightly changed to hello everyone. So in this way, you can simply write a C and C++ program in Sublime Text, and you can easily run this file in this command prompt. So I have shown you both, and also I have shown you how to install this Mingw in your Windows 10 operating system. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and also please do share with your friends. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.